Hi everyone, so you're in safe mode with networking and still no internet. Yeah, that's frustrating, but don't worry, I've got your back. In this video, I will walk you through step by step how to fix the non-network issue while in safe mode with networking. Let's jump right in. First things first, why does this even happen? Safe mode with networking is meant to give you a stripped down Windows with drivers and the internet enabled. But sometimes the internet drivers don't load properly or a service that should be running just isn't. Let's start with the basics. Press Windows R to open the Run dialog, type services.msc and hit Enter. Now scroll down and look for a service called WLAN AutoConfig. If you're using a wired connection, check for wired AutoConfig instead. Found it? Good. Right-click it, then click Properties. Set Startup Type to Automatic and click Start if it's not already running. Click Apply, then OK. This alone might bring your connection back. Still nothing? All right, let's dig deeper. Go back to the Run dialog, type dev.mgmt.msc and hit Enter. This opens Device Manager. Under Network Adapters, right-click your adapter and choose Enable if it's disabled. Still enabled? Try Update Driver or even uninstall device, then restart. Another quick trick, reset the TSB/IB stack. Open Command Prompt as administrator. And type this command netshient IP reset. Then press Enter. Next type netsh Winsock reset. Press Enter again, then reboot your BC. And that's it. If this video helped you, give it a like and drop a comment. I would love to hear what worked for you. And don't forget to subscribe if you want more tech solutions like this one. See you in the next video.